PDC's mission has always been about using science and technology to really help disaster reduction. So early on, actually, we had developed an architecture that was promising to do that essentially, and that architecture really was the basis of the early map viewers. It was capable of when something is detected, send SMS and notification, for instance, automatically to the user community. So a lot of that architecture was in fact developed and in development. At that time, we were processing tsunami warnings. We were actually modeling how long is it going to take for waves to propagate if we know the location of the earthquake. We had earthquake and storms, and we're monitoring these activities. So we had actually at the time a multi-hazard system that was capable of monitoring a lot of hazards worldwide. From a logistics perspective, delivering aid at that scale, the tsunami impacted many different nations actually. We knew that the military was going to be involved, so we worked very closely with the Pacific Command, PACOM at the time, really to identify, where was most hit, where would the bulk of the aid would be needed, and simple things like, is there a bridge that's washed out, so how do you deliver the aid to the area? So they were also pivotal in helping us get satellite imagery. Now, back then, there was no satellite imagery available, as it is today. So that was our early interaction to get a hold of detailed resolution satellite imagery to do some analysis to help the delivery of aid by the military specifically to the region. Mercy Corps actually was one of the early collaborators and partners that reached out to us to help map out what was going on, and really everyone was pulling together to support whatever the need at the time was that was coming from downrange.